Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Banu. This is the bamboo leaf extract drink. It's like a, if you look here, it's vanilla and green tea. I've tried all their flavors, and these two, and I'll show you the cans. These two, this is the orange blossom, and then this Oro Blanc. These tasted exactly the same, except this one had more carbonation. So I'm hoping this one is actually different. The ingredients were exactly the same on those two as well. So, but let's take a look. And here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. But it's basically the exact same, exact same ingredients in all of these. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna show you all three of these. So first of all, this is the new one. You got purified water, bamboo leaf extract, same thing. First, on the first part, organic blue spirulina on all three. Then you got the natural flavors. Now the natural flavors are probably what the variable is. And then you got stevia and lactic acid and citric acid. So same and same. So I'm expecting this to probably taste the same. So let's double check this here. Do a quick taste test. Here we go. Oh, this one's slightly, I would say a little bit slightly more citric acidy. So slightly, like they taste exactly the same, literally, but this one is a little bit more citric acid. This one has more carbonation, and this one's just more bland. So, but they all have that sort of cane sugar, bamboo taste sort of thing. So definitely check it out, guys. Something to try. It is a little bit different than your regular sparkling water. So, all right. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.